I'm just collecting golds, everyone. So this is where I can put them. This is the golds. You see, it's so shiny. That's why it's a gold. And now you can see it's true. You can just see. Look. Look. Just wait. I'm flipping them. See? It's two. Because the one is a little dirty. Let me wash it. So this is it now. The one that dirty, that I wash it a little. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.